Hi Ketu! Good morning! I hope everybody is doing well today. Now, look at Ibu Sisil. Where am I? I'm in the airport. Look at this. What do I bring? I bring my luggage and also I bring my passport. Where will I go? Do you know?
I will go to overseas.
Do you want to join with Ibu Sisil? Prepare your luggage and your passport. Now let's go! Okay, look! Do you know where is Ibu Sisil's now? Yeah, that's correct! I am in Singapore. How do you know? Yeah, because there is a Merlion Park. Well done! Now, let's go to another country. Now, where is Ibu Sisil? Yeah, that's correct. I am in Malaysia. How do you know? That's correct because this is Menara Kembar Petronas, or some people call Twin Tower. Now, let's go to another country. Where is Ibu Sisil now? That's correct. I am in USA because you can see the Statue of the Liberty. Where is Ibu Sisil's now? Yeah, this is a Big Ben.
And it's in England.
Good job, Ketu. Now, do you want to go travel around the world? Yeah, Ibu Sisil too. So, you have to be able to speak and read
In English. Because if you can speak and read in English,
so you can travel around the world. Now, let's start our language class. Are you ready? Let's start. Today we are going to review the sounds of and then and the last one. Good job.
now let's try to read the word. What word is this? Good, Tom. I have 2 Tom. How about this? Great, white. I wear white t-shirt. How about this word? Good job, photo. Your photo is very beautiful. Now, can you find the other word begins with? Yeah, thing. 3. How about the word begins with F? Good, wheel, whistle. Can you find the word that has sounds of F? Dolphin, elephant.
Well done. Now it's time to do the task.
Please prepare your Sanskrit book and open page 73. Read the sentence and choose which one is the correct sentence.
Okay, Ketu. Now it's time to you to do the task and you can do it by yourself. Don't forget to upload the photo to Shola. Goodbye, Ketu. God bless you.